It is not just genetics, there is more to the story. Sure, genetics can contribute to dark circles. Thin skin, inherited facial structures, and certain pigments can make them more noticeable. But here's the truth. Genetics alone don't explain why you're waking up with those shadows under your eyes every day. So what is the real reason? After years of experimentation, I came up with one interesting discovery: indigestion of fats and certain oily foods. One major factor often overlooked is digestion, especially how your body processes fats. If your body struggles with digestion, fatty or oily foods, it can lead to bloating, fluid retention, and that dreaded puffiness under the eyes. Your digestive system is responsible for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. If it is not functioning well, or if you're consuming too many unhealthy fats, like fried foods and processed snacks, it can throw your body off balance, leading to dark circles. Not to mention can cause vitamin and mineral deficiencies, can worsen the problem. If you pay attention, people with dark circles under their eyes often come from regions where diets are high in fat and oily foods. Number 3. Low vitality and stress. Another big factor contributing to dark circle is low vitality. When you're consistently running on empty both mentally and physically, your body shows signs of stress. Stress increases cortisol levels, which causes blood vessels to dilate, darkening the skin around your eyes. I've experienced this firsthand. During stressful times, my dark circles got worse. It is like the body is consistently in overdrive and it shows up where you least want it, under your eyes. Let's discuss another important point: sleep deprivation, the most obvious culprit. This is probably the most common reason behind dark circles. If you're not getting enough quality sleep, your body doesn't get a chance to repair itself. Lack of sleep causes blood vessels under your skin to dilate, leading to darkening. When your body is running on empty, it can't refresh itself, and that's when those circles show up. And it is not just about how many hours you sleep, it is about quality. Poor sleep leads to poor circulation, which shows up especially around your eyes. Number 5. Nutritional deficiencies. Nutritional deficiencies also play a huge role. If your body is missing key vitamins and minerals, it affects skin health and circulation. For example, lacking vitamin K, zinc, vitamin C, or iron can contribute to dark circles. These nutrients help with skin repair, blood circulation, and strengthening blood vessels. So, if your diet is lacking these nutrients, your skin, especially around your eyes, will suffer and those dark circles will become more noticeable. How to tackle the real cause of dark circles? Now that we know what is really causing those dark circles, here's what you can do to address them. Fix your digestion. Incorporate fiber-rich whole foods like fruits and veggies into your diet. Also opt for healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and seeds. Mind your portions, avoid oily foods. Reduce stress. Try stress management techniques like deep breathing, yoga, or light exercise to balance cortisol levels and reduce dark circles. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. I recommend 8 hours. If you struggle to fall asleep, focus on improving your sleep routine. Focus on a nutrient-dense diet. Make sure you're getting enough vitamins like K, C, and iron to support healthy skin and circulation. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to reduce puffiness and support healthy skin. I recommend drinking smoothies every other day. By addressing these factors, you'll not only improve your overall health, but also reduce the appearance of dark circles without relying solely on genetics. Lifestyle changes can make a real difference. If you experienced any of these causes or have your own tips for tackling dark circles, drop them in the comments. Let's talk about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.